last video we created our meme block. Okay, so what we will do in this video, we will start writing test cases for this block. Okay, for writing test cases for our block, we will use a blocTest library. Okay, you can come on pub.dev and install this library inside your pubspec.yml file. Okay, we will use this blocTest library. Fine. Okay, let's come on our blocTest and start writing test cases here. Okay, let's void main. Let's provide our script, that is blocTest. Let's see, this is the templates it provides. It's have a basically three effects: build, act and expect. Okay, let's add our first blocTest. Okay, it's not giving. Let me add one more time. BLoCs. Okay, let's replace our this subject block with our block, that is get meme block, and this state with our state, that is get meme state. Okay, let's import the block library. Okay, and let's emit my state. In place of my state, we will emit get meme state when our get memes event is added. This is our description of for these test cases. This have a three main part: build, act and expect. What we will do in build? Basically in build we will build our block. Okay, in act we will perform sub action, that is we will perform block event. Okay, in expect, the output what we want to get from that particular block we will expect here. Okay, so in blocTest we have a three fields: build, act and expect. Okay, let's see why you are getting error. It's saying that the get meme field is required, so we have to provide the use cases. Okay, let's see what the use cases we are using. The use cases is get memes. Okay, so we will mock this use case. Okay, for that what we will use? We will use mockito for that, and use annotation generate mocks and provide the class which we want to mock, that is nothing but get memes. Okay, let's try to run our build command to generate a mock class for us. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's generated us. Let's import the file for us, that is get meme block test mock test dot. Okay, let's import it. Fine. Now let's create a mock use case, that is mock get memes is equal to mock get memes. Fine. Now we will start adding our setup. So setup success for get memes. Okay, we will use our when callback from mockito. We will stop our use case mock get memes dot the call method with parameter any, then answer we will return this time right side with argument, that is list of models. It can return either failure or list of memes. So we already have our meme object inside migrated mock, this one, so we will return this from right side. And let's import that migrated mock files here. Okay, so we add a setup in case of get memes. Okay, so let's add this argument. We will add a mock get memes here. Fine. Now we have to perform event here inside our act field. So let's add our first event, that is get meme event dot get memes. We will make this constant, okay, but while performing this event we have to add this stub. Okay, so for that let's make it here. Okay, let's copy it. So simply what we will do, we will call this method before calling the action inside our act block. Okay, so we set up our use case. Basically we stop this and return the right part of our use case. Fine. And once we are calling the event here, and now we will expect it here. What we will expect? We will expect our block state. What the state would be? It would be initially loading true, then we successfully called our use case, then we will make this false, and we have our meme object which we stop here. Okay, we need to remove this constant from here and make it like this. So what we are doing here, we are writing a test cases for our block. So for that we are using a blocTest library. Okay, blocTest give us a template which have three things: build, act and expect. Okay, inside build we will build our block and give all the required parameters. Okay, so in our case we are building our get meme block and give the get memes parameter. Inside act section what we are doing, we are stub our use case mock get memes and return the right side of memes, right side of our use case. Okay, in expect we are saying that we will get our state with loading loading true, because once you see here, while this event is listened and once this event will be triggered, initially what we are doing, we are emitting the state with loading true, and we are calling our use case here. Okay, once our use case is successfully executed, we are getting result inside our result variable, and we can get two things: either we will get a left side or we can get a right side. Okay, if we are getting a left side, then we will emit our state with a loading false and return the failure part. And what would be happen if we are getting a right side? If the right side, then we are emitting our state by updated state by making loading false and return the meme object. Okay, so here we are expecting that we will get our meme state with loading true, and once this use case will execute, we will get this loading false and our meme object will be mock list of memes. Let's try to run this and see what is happening. So yeah, our test cases is passed. Now let's try to add another scenario in the case of failure. So simply we will copy and paste it. Emit get meme state when get meme event is added. So in this case what we will do, we will return the failure part. Set up failure for get meme state, and this time we will return left side. Okay, in the left side what we have to do, we can return a failure. Okay, what we are doing, we are returning the left part with a failure object. Okay, fine. So we already have a mock of failure, we will use that from our migrated mocks. Let's copy from here mock failure in our block. Okay, let's use this and make this constant. Okay, we will call this stub inside our failure part, emits get meme state when get meme event is added with failure. Okay, so we are stubbing our method, then we are calling our event stub, and in this case what will be happen, we will get a failure field. Okay, let's copy from here mock failure. Yeah, this thing we will get. Let's make it cons, or we can do like this. remove this from here, and let's try to run our test case one more time and see if it's running or not. Yeah, we are getting. Okay, fine. Let's delete it and let's try to rerun one more time. Okay, fine, our both test cases are passed. Okay, let's try to let's try to add a constant here. So for that, let me remove this file, this const URL. Let's place inside our constant const step. Let's make it step to const base URL is equal to this. What is saying? Can't have a static here. Okay, we have to make a const class. Let's have, as of now, let's declare as a variable. Okay, inside our meme data source we will use directly from their base URL. Okay, fine. Okay, let's try to run one more time our test case and see. So yeah, fine, our both test cases are passed. So as of now, what we did, we write our presentation layer block part, and we completed the test cases as well. So in the next part, what we will do, we will start writing our UI part. So we will start from pages, and once we complete that, we will write the test cases for that. Okay, thank you. That's it for this video. We will meet you in next video. Bye.